So what I have here is a general servo. I've got a positive line, a ground line, and a signal line in that is controlled by a pulse width. So I've got this hooked up to a DC power supply running at 4.5 volts, and then my signal in pulse width is run by a 350 hertz 3 volt peak to peak with adjustable duty cycle. So as I'm adjusting the duty cycle, you'll notice that the servo will rotate different directions, as seen here. And then over on the scope you can see the continuous waveform as it's adjusting it. Just demonstrating the basic operation of the servo, how it works, and how it's controlled. So that's about all there is.